Today I will show you how to install an MXM graphics card. Step 1. Put on anti-static gloves to eliminate static electricity. Step 2. Take out the graphics card and remove the golden finger protection cover. Step 3. Apply thermal grease. This ensures better contact between the graphics card and the heatsink to improve heat dissipation. Step 4. Install the heatsink. Check if the thermal pads are properly attached and intact. Align the 4 holes during the installation. And make sure to attach pads to all 4 holes after completion. Then, screw in diagonally and tighten. Step 5. Install the graphics card. Align the graphics card at a 35-degree angle with the MXM interface on the motherboard. Once aligned, you can tighten the screws. The final step. Connect the heatsink according to your usage requirements. And there you have it. Our MXM graphics card is installed.